Yeah, okay, guys. Today in this video, we're going to talk about the weekly market structure analysis on Euro USD pair. So, in the last video, we talked about monthly market analysis that was in Telugu. This video is going to be this video is going to be in English, unedited, raw, and then yeah, this video is going to be in English so that every non-Telugu guy, every guy from every person from non-Telugu states would understand. Okay, so let's go. LFG, let's fucking go. Pair Euro USD time frame weekly. Yo, I'm just gonna say, I'm just gonna talk what I understand, okay? Mm, and yeah, the things I talk may not be true, may not be correct, right? So yeah, let's go. So what do we have? We do have this fair value gap. This weekly fair value gap we stinked into that weekly fair value gap, and then what? We got rejection. We got beautiful rejection right there from this week. Last week of Jan. Beautiful rejection. And these three candles belong to February. So today the date is, I guess, 21, Feb 21, 2026. So this is next week is gonna be the last week of Feb month. So let's go to monthly first. Okay. Okay. Prices right now it is here. Yeah, okay. All right. Yeah, we got a rejection, and then what else do we have here? We do have this weekly fair value gap. What happened? Feb candle opened up. Then we got a little thing. Sorry, we came back to this fair value gap, and then we got little bullish reaction. Week two or week number three again, we tanked once again. So what do you think is going to happen in week four? That is in the coming week. So there are many possibilities. Okay, we just can't predict. I mean, based on this projection, with my knowledge, I cannot predict exactly what's going to happen. Okay, so what do I think is first? Maybe in the coming week, we might fill this gap totally, and in March we're gonna take this low. That's one possibility, right? What's another possibility? So since we got this second sweep, I mean second, let's say penetration into this fair value gap, maybe in the coming week we might go up and take out this previous high and this swing high. Okay, that's possibility two. What's possibility three? What's possibility three? We might we might we might what? We might directly go up and sweep this and even go higher. That's possibility three. What's possibility four? Hmm. We might fill this remaining gap and continue higher and sweep this. So there are many possibilities, bro. Nobody is true. Nobody is 100% correct. Anything could happen. So that's why we have to be prepared. You don't just stick to one one possibility. Okay, you react based on how price is behaving. Understand? For example, okay, let's see. So let's do some analysis. So right now the price is here. So what is the nearest PD array that we have? I mean, nearest liquidity that price could easily take. What do you think? It's this previous candle low and previous candle high and this swing high. Is that a swing high? Maybe, because it has two candles that's lower than this high. Okay, so maybe, so let me mark them out. One, two, three. Which you have this three areas that price could potentially go to. Okay, what else can we say, bro? What else can we say? What else can we extract from this price action? So some people might say, okay, this is the support. This is the area of support. This right here. Okay, price is gonna go up off of this support line. Some people are gonna say that that could be true. We don't know. Maybe price is gonna. Maybe price will. Maybe price will break this support, give a little retracement once again, and then go continue lower. If we don't know, let's see. Look, the goal is not to be true. The goal is not to be 100% true. The goal is not to predict the exact price action in the coming weeks. That's not true. You just have to have this little understanding on how price is reacting off of some zones or maybe order blocks, maybe these fair value gaps, things like that. Understand? So yeah. So have this train your mind to analyze the market structure and analyze the story that these candles are telling you. So everybody sees a different story. The story I see may differ from the story you see. Okay. So yeah, that's it.